Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to place two charts side by side in Microsoft Word for a clean and professional document layout. When working with reports, research paper and presentations, sometimes you need to compare two charts directly on the same line. Instead of placing chart randomly and struggling with alignment, this video will show you the correct and professional methods to using layouts option, alignment tools and table so you charts stay perfect positioned. So let's get started. We can see here many page here to this assignment. Now I go to a blank page. Then go to the insert menu. Click the chart option. Then we can see here many chart. Like you can insert the column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, etc. At first we insert the pie chart. Click OK. Then we can see here a chart. You can increase, decrease or change any series to this chart. Here the quarter and here the sales. You can change this. Now I am change it. We can see we change this easily. Now I resize the chart some small. Then go back again the insert menu. Select another chart. You can insert any chart. Now I am select the radar. Then decrease the size of the radar chart. Then close the Excel view. Select the chart, go to the format menu. Click the wrap text drop down menu, choose in front of text. Then you can move the chart anywhere. Otherwise you cannot make in front of text, you cannot move this. Select the chart and click wrap text, choose in front of text. Now we can see we insert two charts side by side easily. You can select multiple chart, press and hold shift on our keyboard. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching guys.